Our atmosphere seems to be getting warmer.
Climate change.
Climate change.
Climate change.
Climate change.
Climate change.
Climate change.
Fossil fuels.
Fossil fuels.
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide could cost us the planet.
Climate is warming. Global warming and climate change.
Global warming.
Global warming.
Evidence is overwhelming.
Global warming is the term used to describe a gradual increase in the average temperature of the Earth's atmosphere and its oceans, a change that is believed to be permanently changing the Earth's climate. Even though it is an ongoing debate, it is proved by the scientists that the planet is warming. For the past several decades, we have been experiencing a continued increase of Earth's mean atmospheric temperature by about 1.4 degrees Fahrenheit, and about two-thirds of it occurring since 1980. This global warming is affecting nature's balance and has a huge impact on life, such as continued heat waves and sudden occurrences of storms and floods. Scientific evidence indicates that since 1950, the world's climate has been warming, primarily as a result of emissions from non-stop burning of fossil fuels and the raising of tropical forests. Since the Industrial Revolution, there has been a constant emission of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. These global emissions jumped 3% in 2011 and are expected to jump another 2.6% in 2012. The greenhouse effect is a process by which greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide and methane absorb thermal radiation. It is then re-radiated in all directions, but when some of these radiations come back to the surface and lower atmosphere, it causes an increase in the average surface temperature. This is the explanation for global warming. The causes are many, but the main culprit is the increase in the greenhouse gases that are produced by burning fossil fuels and deforestation. This intensifies the greenhouse effect. Mining for coal and oil releases methane into the atmosphere. Leakage from natural gas fields and landfills is an additional source of methane. Another source of methane is methane clarate, a compound containing large amounts of methane trapped in the crystal structure of ice. As methane escapes from the Arctic seabed, it increases the amount of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. Excessive cutting down of trees is another factor causing global warming. When deforestation happens, the efficiency by which carbon dioxide is absorbed and oxygen released by global plant life is decreased. Ice caps and glaciers reflect sunlight, bouncing high-temperature sun rays back into space away from the Earth. When these ice caps melt, the Earth gets warmer as the dark oceans absorb much thermal radiation from the sun. This just increases the warming effect that is already taking place. Climate changes happen due to global warming. Some regions may be wet with rain and some areas will suffer drought. Seasonal changes are unpredictable and severe thunderstorms might result from the changing climate.